Welcome, here I've got ZTE Blade V2020 and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So at first we have to tap to the camera to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to video. So here we are. Now let's move to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings, and in the video mode we have video stabilizer at the second place. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn on the image stabilization and turn it off as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.